Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is going to be pork stew with vegetable rice. As you can see, I already cleaned up my pork with lemon and vinegar. Using my meat, I'll put a bit of salt, 1 spoon of all-purpose seasoning, and 1 cube of jumbo cube. Then I will add a bit of water and boil it. Just a tiny bit of water. Don't put too much water because meat already, when you boil it, the water comes out. So like you can see, I just put a little bit of tiny and I'll put it on the fire for like 20 minutes. A few minutes later, as you can see, my meat as all the water that came out from my meat. I'm gonna leave it again. I'm just gonna take a baking tray, which I put baking sheet on top, and I'm gonna put it in the oven. I always put my meat inside the oven. I don't like to fry my meat, so it depends on what type of meat. Especially when I boil the meat, I'd rather put it in the oven. For my sauce, I'm going to use 1 onion, half of yellow pepper, half of green, and half of red. I'm going to cut it off and then mix it together and then blend it. I always blend my vegetables when I'm making my stew. It's just a habit that I have. I don't know if you guys do. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tomato puree, 1 jumbo cube, and a bit of all-purpose seasoning, and a bit of that water that was left after boiling the meat. And I'm also going to add a bit of tap water, which I'm going to mix and let my sauce to cook before adding my meat inside. Fifteen minutes later, after putting my meat inside the oven, now it's ready, it's golden and crispy. That's the reason why I always put my meat inside the oven, so it doesn't taste too oily. And I'm going to take it and put it inside my tomato sauce. To make my rice, I'm going to use a bit of oil and curry, which I'm going to fry together inside the pan. I'm going to add 1 all-purpose jumbo cube and 1 chicken cube, and then I'll add my vegetables. I'm going to fry them together for my rice. Obviously, I already cooked my rice. There's some leftover rice, so I don't want to throw that away. So I'm going. After adding my vegetables, I'm going to put a bit of water and then I'll put onion inside, and I'm going to let my sauce for my rice to cook. Now my sauce is ready for my rice. I'm just going to add my leftover rice. As you can see, it's inside the bowl. I'm going to add it and then keep on mixing it together and fry it until it's all done. Et voila, my rice is ready. Thank you for watching. Love you. See you next time.